Tech Wash and TX.Direct packaged together to clean and waterproof your technical outerwear. High-performance cleaner and wash and waterproofing for synthetic waterproof clothing, insulated garments, and sleeping bags. Restores water repellency and maintains breathability. Recommended for technical clothing, synthetic sleeping bags, rain and ski jackets, GORE-TEX, Patagonia, North Face, Columbia, and Arc'teryx. Water-based, non-persistent, and contains no PFCs, VOCs, optical brighteners, or added scent. Top reviews from the United States. This works. I used this on an ordinary high-street packable raincoat which was only shower-resistant, then wore the raincoat on a 10-day holiday in Wales where it rained every day. There was no leakage of water at all, even though the raincoat didn't have taped seams or any other fancy technical stuff. My clothes were always 100% dry. I also used it on an expensive brand name raincoat which claimed to be waterproof and had taped seams etc. But which was definitely not waterproof. I used to get damp patches on my clothes on whichever side the rain had been hitting me. After using Nikwax, the coat became waterproof and I didn't get damp patches anymore. It's too rare that products live up to their claims, but Nikwax does. Highly recommended.